In our fast-paced world, reconnecting with nature's rhythms can offer profound benefits for mind and body. Herbs play a pivotal role in this connection. By incorporating herbs like sage, lavender, and rosemary into daily rituals, one can attune to the natural cycles of the earth. Sage, often used in smudging, is believed to cleanse spaces, allowing for a deeper connection with the environment. Lavender, with its calming properties, helps synchronize our internal rhythms with nature's tranquility, promoting restful sleep and relaxation. Rosemary invigorates the senses, enhancing awareness and grounding us. Embrace these herbs to foster harmony with nature and discover a more balanced existence.